The WPL D12 might be one of the most fun RC cars for under £50. It might not be fast, but not for my parents, and they're okay.
Charming. Let's get started with the first race.
I'm in the blue truck.
You must be tiny. And I'm driving the silver truck.
One point for Matthew. 2 more races between you two. You're meant to go around the cones.
A second point for me.
Another point to Matthew, but I should get half a point for nudging him over the line. Now it's Matthew versus Luke.
I'm the proud owner of the white truck.
Luke gets his first point. It's just me on 0 then.
Phew, I've got my second point against Matthew.
Don't think you'll be winning this one. A point for me. It's Sarah against Luke. It's a bit hard to tell their trucks apart. Luke's in the lead.
An easy point for me.
Lead again?
Don't write me off yet.
Racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's slow us down, break the speed of sound.
I can't believe I lost that. Another point for Luke.
Sarah's ahead. Luke's fallen over. He's gifted Sarah her first point.
Do I get a point for being closest to the finish?
No!
Luke and Matthew are both on 4 points, while I'm on 0.
It's Matthew against Sarah to start the second round of races.
Yay, my first point.
Beat you that time. Another point for me.
It's Matthew and Luke battling it out for top spot. Matthew's in the lead.
Make yourself a cup of tea because I'm not going to do a Sarah.
Hurry up, Luke. The camera battery's getting low.
I've tumbled again.
Luke wins all three.
Sarah really needs some points against Luke. Luke pulls ahead.
Born to ride, Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch.
And Sarah's tumbled. 1 point for Luke.
Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go.
Sarah's in the lead.
Tonight, we on the road. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine.
Luke wins yet again.
Oh, bad-tempered.
Luke's got the early lead. Sarah's tumbled out again.
I'm 4 points ahead of Matthew, and poor Sarah's just on 1 point. It's round 3, and Sarah's hoping for a few more wins.
She won't get any wins driving like that.
That's 3 wins for Matthew. Matthew's now just 1 point behind Luke.
I'm sure you are. I need Sarah to beat Luke 3 times to have a chance. I'm hoping for a miracle. Sarah's way ahead. I'm starting to believe in miracles.
Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor, turn that keeper into a lion's roar. Dream machine,
No!
wherever you wanna go. Let's slow this down, break the speed of sound. Tonight we own the road. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart.
Come on, Sarah. I give up.
Sore loser.
Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Red on the highway, blue lights flashing behind me.
Luke's racing ahead and I'm still on 1 point.
It's the bonus round. Sarah gets 2 points for the best tumble. There were better tumbles, but nobody else fell over when the win was in the bag.
Matthew gets 1 point for this tumble.
Sarah gets 2 points for the best cone crash because straight after she also pushed Matthew over the line.
And Matthew gets a point for a rare somersaulting cone.
Despite no bonus points for Luke, he wins the WPL D12 Family Showdown.
Yeah.